Everyone. In this video, I'm going to give some introductions about what is hydrocarbon. So this might be going to be a simple video only. Okay, so when we talk about hydrocarbon, okay, it is actually consists of it not consists but comes from two words, which is hydro and carbon, which means a compound which contains only carbon and hydrogen. So, hydrocarbon. Now, if you have O, it's not hydrocarbon. It must be something else. If you have like halogen group, it must be something else. So, hydrocarbon only consists of carbon and hydrogen. So, in hydrocarbon, we can divide it into two types of hydrocarbon, which is aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. I'm talking about aromatic hydrocarbons first. This, as you can see, the characteristic, it must be planar, cyclic conjugated, unsaturated molecule that is stabilized by pi electron delocalization. So for this one, you're going to learn more in benzene, which is the chapter after this. Benzene, okay, in chapter 6. But let's focus on this aliphatic hydrocarbon. So it is a carbon and hydrogen joined together in straight chain, branch chain, or non-aromatic ring. Okay. What is that? We will explain to you later. But in aliphatic hydrocarbon, we can divide it into two types, which is saturated and unsaturated. But I guess this one you understand. Like, to make it easy, saturated is something with multiple bonds. And then for saturated, it is something that had only contain single bond, no multiple bonds. Okay, so we know multiple bonds like double bond, triple bond. Okay, but for single bond, only this. Okay. So alkane also can, saturated can be divided into alkane, which is straight alkane, and cycloalkane. So cycloalkane is alkane which C atoms joins in ring. In other words, like C joined with another C, joined with another C, 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 and C. Okay, this is ring, so we call this cycloalkanes. It has H only. Okay. This is cycloalkane, or something that you're familiar with, like this. Cycloalkanes, in other words, a cyclic carbon with double bond inside, or maybe with triple bond inside. Okay, but usually double bond. Okay, so alkynes, yeah, this one. All right. So when we say saturated hydrocarbon, this is the characteristic. It must be an sp3 hybridized. What is sp3? Carbon 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we call sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so everything single, and the geometry at each carbon is tetrahedral. All angle is 109.5. Okay, so like I mentioned before, we have alkanes and cycloalkanes. For alkanes or straight chains, this is the formula CnH2n plus 2. This is the one that makes butane, ethane, and all that ended with N and N. Okay, but when it comes to cyclic alkanes, it is different. It is CnH2n. Okay, so because it makes a ring, then we put them as cyclo. So that's it, the introduction for hydrocarbons and actually for alkenes. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to draw and how to name the alkenes.